That girl, she and her mother, now make me talk am openly. They know wetin they worry them. That girl know wetin they worry her. The only year when me they conclude where they see, if Didi go allow, may we put her for rehab. Me, I feel raise contribution for her. She need to rehabilitate. That girl, she go rehab. If any money there to help her, just to rehabilitate that girl life, put her for rehab, they give her better food. I said that day, when that girl there with us for hospital, the way we take give her food, because she know they feel they take that drug, she know they feel smoke again. Come see as that girl fresh. Me and I'll send picture evidence give you tomorrow. All the surgery, everything will do. How she be then? If this girl don't finish her money, don't smoke finish, you don't use her money to smoke finish. She'll come leave her eye green, yellow. She'll come see crack on platform. Now what she they do with that? She could leave her body, may you not shop. She don't go chop. May she come there tiny. May people for pity her. She go make her eye yellow where. She know what she's doing. She know what she's doing.
Thank you so much, my sister. God bless you for now. You I go thank, because yesterday some of us were against you. Honestly, some of us were say
me feel boy me no magbana.
You don't want me we help her. A lot of people.
No.
But when they come see wetin happen, they don't say it.
If I give you evidence, if you post her, because I not post her for my platform, right?
Yes, no problem. If
you feel the post her for your back as you did so, right?
No problem. But don't be wanting to talk before video.
Eterosha, you know, I don't know.
He sent me that one. No one else post all those ones.
Okay. May you see her before the way when we carry her, she only get 8% of blood. If you don't a doctor that will survive here. You know when paper white, when they don't wash them, we call my PA and the other girl for my platform. That girl they cook turkey, vegetable, different sauce, food gonna give her. What's the mother supposed to do for pikin? Another 1 week, what would they take off that girl? Come see Didi, she fresh. Her body come out. Everything fresh. Now make me always put her mother, say her mother fail. Her mother know what she they do with that girl. Where you go bowa? Did go pull hand, go buy bone straight of 1 million, 700,000, 600,000. Why can't you sell one of that hair? Take treat yourself. If something is really wrong with you. God forbid, I broke now. I don't get money. Me, I don't sabi they ask say somebody give me. I get jewelries. I get gold. I get you my way. I never even sell finish. I'll go sell my thing. It go like what? No gold where you carry go store where they not buy. They give you money. She get this where she feels say. Why is she lying? So it was so painful, because I like your platform. You're not there yet. Even you there yet. I go see talk with you and they talk. You be one of the best platform when be say if they bring your matter come. Hey, the way I tell they kill them. Even when you and mama they quarrel, I always tell people say, well, I don't know what it be content. You people don't know what is content. How can you let her go and thief bossa? It's a content. You guys don't know what is content. Hey, you know, we don't civilize. We know what they don't get. Yes, now it's a content, sweetheart. That's called content, real content.
Yeah.
They don't know what is content. So in the platform, they don't drop my pay me. I know they collect money. I know they stress. For this did the matter again. They carry my name waka. My PA they know. But here's the thing with me because Azenia is just a small one. Now igun witch now she get that a street witch. I make na I think say. So as I say I help her. I be number one for her life. Iwa me and my platform and I think we saw draining. I appreciate everybody.
Not try.
And I mean your Mouba, she's angry because we did that surgery. Do you know she talked to my PA? Oh, can we just eat is it special? Let's share it 50-50. My PA say, what? Are you okay? He said, share it. Any money that I get, I will be sharing it with you. That's why he's so angry with new money. He's very angry with Josh, very angry.
Thank you, Wetin.
So drug any talk any way I rigo. Yeah, I'm one of the if you see him. You know, if now before that guy will show you I saw. You know if he eat for 1 week.
She said that for me now. I see her today.
That one, this thing, picture, video, don't if you see her, like when the thing there body, you don't go fit eat for 1 week. And people like the way she dey cry, she's very tricky, show. She dey sabi manipulate. When I don't dream, I can't tell my peer. I said this guy, I tell on my platform. I said the way I take dream, see this girl, it not clear. I won't stop. And I want you to do the surgery, may I cut off from there. There's something about this girl. As I got a mention for platform, people come to DM me. When the other year go there, ask Bra Frank, take give her money. A lot of many people where don't give her money. Even this guy where they bring on yesterday, he said that guy only give her 60K. I say, only you want what you can do everybody, but what about people that don't donate for you? What do you use the money do? You let say you get 1 point something. Say that 1 point something you need. You get 1.2. Say you just need only 1.1 million. Say the surgery now, and the surgery not even reach 1.5. The surgery not even reach 1 million, self, daddy. That surgery where you thought say you want to do for 2.8 million. It not even reach. We not spend for that surgery reach. Let's say 700K for that surgery. The remaining one are just blood, blood we're going to buy, medicine, all those things. Now we just use the rest. Maybe 500. The surgery where they do this cut her skin out. Now both sides of her leg. It not even reach 1 million. When she just the lie, they distract people, I get 2 million. Make the just adjourn now. Oh my goodness.
Wetin, thank you. My sister, Wetin Kakabo. Wetin.
Come on, sir.
I like this man. Shut up.
So we need to work.
That's true.
Yes. So this girl, she called me this night that she was crying.
Yeah.
What do you know about what?
Now let's go. Yeah.
I like this man. Shut up.
So we need to work.
That's true.
Yes. So this girl, she called me this night that she was crying.
Yeah.
What do you know about what do you know about it?
She came to my live stream tonight because I also help people on my live stream. And she said that she's suffering from SS, that she's a sickle cell anemia patient.
Yes. You can't tell what's in my hands.
So I said, okay, no problem. But
Look, I see you. I don't know what you're doing my small.
you don't need to cry. Oh.
I don't cry. Calm down. Calm down. They read the verse.
Didi.
It was as it was. That don't call the DPO for Benin. Calm down. If not blogger, go tell them they delete them. Calm down.
I like this man. Shut up.
Calm down. Umichi, the main reason why I'm going to reach out to you was to know about her, because a lot of people complain that she has been using that sickness to scam people, to collect money from people. And there was a case whereby she has been to different platforms in Edo cyberspace, and they have also helped her with some amount of money. And she also denied the fact that the money was not enough, that the money is 600,000. And people are saying that it is more than that. Some, they say that it's 2 million. She will say 1 million. And I said, well, no problem. Let me confirm from King Mechi before I will know what to do.
That's it. Yeah.
So
Okay,
that's
thank
why I
you
said,
for
okay.
this.
Yes, good evening, my sister.
So I'm going to tell you the genesis of how I met this girl. Give me that last tweet. So you know me now. I don't know if you know me before today.
Yes, I see your good work.
So barrister.
Yeah.
So I sent some money for her to come. I think 180K, I can't remember. And then I put her in the hotel. I think I paid 3 days for them. Because my mind was that, okay, if I raise money, because me, I like to finish my own job. If I raise money, I'll take her to the hospital because I would like to start progress. Do you understand? Or, let me say she came on Saturday. On Sunday, by Sunday morning, I saw that the money that they donated for her has entered 6 million. I went to the hotel that I lodged for her and I showed her the alerts. I'm like, see, you donated 6 million for you. Oh my God. But guess what? So I showed her the alert. But guess what? Me on a normal day, as I was going there, I would have withdrew cash. I would tell my in fact, I even told my POS girl to arrange the cash for me. Because when I saw the alert coming, like, let me just say, we made the video like 3 o'clock. And by 9 o'clock, I already saw more than 5 million. She understand? So I already told my parents get to arrange the cash for me so that I can give her, because like evidence now that she will. So when that same night, I saw a lot of comments. And she get very fearful of this girl. This girl na drug addict, so na drug make her hand dey like that. So she dey inject the drug. So in fact, one woman reached out to me from Kenya and also from UK. And there's one man too that is very well respected in society. Reached out. They said like they will give her money to go to the hospital, and she will lie that she has done it, but she doesn't do it. And also, this FA said he got his friends to give this girl money. She didn't do nothing. And also, there's this woman that I followed up with her case, take her to the hospital and everything. She had read me off AC, the room to go. I followed up her case.
Just a moment. I am not really interested in her friend.
I want to tell you how the thing, because now even me too. There's the way she's doing that. I'm feeling somehow.
Okay.
So
What are they give to?
Okay, yeah. So it was even she and that same girl. So when I saw a lot of comments, both of them they used to take drugs and they take drugs. That night I was like, I called my manager, I called my team, I told everybody. He said, no, just give her like 700K. Our representative in Benin will be taken her to the hospital, giving us feedback and everything. So I gave her 700K and I explained to her that please leave that thing I had taken. She agreed that she was going to leave. Guess what? So she left Lagos on Sunday, and on Monday, my representative was already waiting at the hospital for more than 6 hours. This girl said she cannot come. So okay, no problem. The next day again, they said there's one the best hospital in Benin. Is an Indian doctor. It has an Indian doctor. So okay, you know what? Let's go to the one with the Indian doctor. Like me, I just wanted the best for her. So my representative still went there again for more than 4 hours. This girl did not come. I started calling her to beg her, please go there. She went there with this girl. And they looked at my representative and they laughed and they entered the car and they left. So that woman was not like, I should just move my hand. So I still called the girl's mother. I'm like, no, mama, I don't like problem. I don't used to have money issues. Since you know me, you've never had money issue about me. But yet I deal with money. So I'm like, mama, you know what? Come to Lagos. I want to let me give you Monday donated for your daughter. At least, mama, anything she want to feed, do you understand? Come and take the money. The moment insulted me that the daughter said she cannot come. that if I want to bring one, I should bring it like in a very. When I posted the thing, my Fulani is so angry, they leave it. My lawyer wrote her that listen, that we are no longer getting involved, and everybody was so happy. Now, where am I driving at? This girl, I didn't give her much money, but this is not the first time I'm hearing something like this about her. And I heard that they take it because of the pain of the sickle cell something. That's why it's
Ultimately, I want to say something. Not drug.
Wait,
it's injection.
If they want cash out for something, you call the third one at Michi. Can I say something? See, not everybody at the airport. If I dey try to see, if I dey check people for a year before I help them, some of them are going to invest for me. Say, it no get just come the proud. No! Where we for the see money? Even me when they sit down here. You don't know how many times I dey shout, give me rose, give me rose. I can't gather rose money. Inside that rose money, I can't give person 50,000 naira or 100,000. You say I not make I don't know where that my rose money they go. You when this works this money, you call us now. You can't give person 50,000 because say their problem. You say you don't want to know where that money they go. You must know where your money go. If not be wisdom where I use yesterday, now so I forgive this girl 1 million naira because we raised 1.7 for my mind. I also will give her 1 million. No, say she don't deserve her. How she take the cope? She said the thing they do her when she's small. Was she not coping when nobody was donating for her when she was small? 23. She said she's 23. 23 years ago, they do donation. How she take this where she did so? We can't be say you can't scam people. I'm not playing finish show. I just say me I pause on because if they want cash out for lie, now they tell you no say, Auntie, can I say something? Say
Injection, yes. But that's when I search for that better me. It's like it's just the like how will I call it? It's injection, but it's just like cocaine injection.
So it's for sickle cell.
So it's the pain.
let me check.
It's possible say when you cannot get it everywhere.
Yes.
They don't sell it. Just like cocaine, but in injection.
For strong pain relief.
drug for strong pain.
Daddy, have you talked now?
No. Wait, make me check.
Okay.
Person every million for you.
Mechi, did you give her 300,000 or 400,000 some days ago?
First of all, on Instagram, I sent her 100K. That was like a week ago. Then some days ago, I sent her 300,000.
That was about 400,000.
I saw her on TikTok live crying. So I felt so bad.
See,
Okay.
now you have for fear this girl.
Divine.
Now you have for fear this girl. They
This thing
listen.
so wicked, me she talk so.
Now they listen now.
Now true, I be she dey lie.
No, she not the lie. She gave me 200K. I didn't know about the 100K. Oh, thank you very much. Truth, I didn't know. I'm just knowing now.
Oh,
I know. Thank you, sis.
oh, somebody that sent you 100,000.
This girl called yesterday. He tell us say they give her 300K 3 days ago. Person will send her 100K. He say he no know, but you see the money from your account. See, I want to thank King Michi. King Michi, God bless you for at least calling me on a video call for evidence of proof. Because I be talking and say without video call, I know why here. Thank you so much. Because me and you almost do the same line of business. You are a giver and you see they do this kind of thing with me they too so. Me and I really talking, but not be everything, not be now about me and how, not be this one matter, eh?
No, she's wrote it in my comments that she's going to send me something now. I was even replying her. I'm still waiting. No, I'm still. I just like she do. I don't know.
You tell me. You tell me. You tell me. Say somebody say 300K just some days ago here. As we talk with Shins for live video. This evening, we raise only this evening. If not be your kind of attitude where a lot of people come, they call me, say, may I stop, may I stop. This evening, under 15 minutes, we raised 5,000 people was watching me on live. We raised 1.7 million naira for you in under 15 minutes.
Jesus.
But because of
Jesus.
your attitude and
Even King Mishi shout Jesus. Great and no gay lovers. You are priceless. Not before one platform they for use 1 month raise 2 million daddy. What will they raise for you under 10 minutes? And you say there is no grace in this platform. There is grace here. You get one good news one and one breakthrough now. After this. One good news. They won't give us land. May we build foundation put. They play. They won't give us land. Just they play. They look me like say I don't know what they do. My dream is to help humanity. Now not me they do what God call me for. Now not me, Inogi, they do what God call me for. Arriva. I don't know why they suspend. They doesn't suspend my gift because of this video, nothing more. Because of
character.
They were saying
Yes.
injection.
That night that
Yeah.
people called me after I dropped people at the hotel. That night that people called me by 1 a.m. I was so scared that I ran to the hotel to meet you people. When I looked at you people, I knew you people took drugs. I asked you, I said, you guys are taking drugs.
I didn't even know he came to drop food. Or she ate the 2 food. She ate the food. She said he came back again. I don't know. I was sleeping.
Oh, yeah,
When I come from Lagos.
Now, so you also be since people they are meant for anything. Everything
You know, just
yeah.
want see, me and this man, we are just good people. As we get here like this, even with your bad character, we still want but you just I'm wearing this call, no. I'm going to respect this man, no.
You know, I just want that to be true to me. That doesn't mean that I cannot still help you. That's the truth.
I was like everybody was saying different things. So it was like as I was not taking straight, no verse. A lot of people were there. They were saying a lot of things.
I know this.
I know still never sung. No verse.
Anyways, I've given
He needs a good opportunity with this new thing. This man's a good man.
I've given you 30 minutes of my time.
It's just
I'm wearing this call, no. I'm going to respect this man, no.
You know, I just want that to be true to me. That doesn't mean that I cannot still help you. That's the truth.
I was like everybody was saying different things. So it was like as I was not taking straight, no verse. A lot of people were there. They were saying a lot of things.
I know this.
I know still never sung. No verse.
Anyways, I've given
He needs a good opportunity with this new thing. This man's a good man.
I've given you 30 minutes of my time. Normally, if you want to call me, say now you pay money before you feed it me. You pay money before you feed it.
Me, I don't go pay money to.
No. No. They do the same line of business with me now, so we are friends already. But you see this girl, she's not reliable. She's not telling the truth.
Exactly. She not just this seriously. This is
All my things
Don't give me anything. Give the daughter.
But that time I see her they cry. That they almost cry.
Don't give me anything. Give the daughter. I don't want.
I don't already promise you before. Say
Yes.
for 3 months, I will give you 350,000. You see that 7 pounds of blood. That's 1.1.
Yes, sir.
1.1. That will not be problem. You get. But with the way things come be now, tomorrow definitely I will also talk to my team.
This call was This call was done at about 2 o'clock midnight yesterday. 2 midnight. Because of this guy. 2 midnight. What down here?
Not just the big issue. we will help you, but I have to talk to my team. You know I have a team. Yeah, that's why I am
Yes.
the president of my foundation, but you know I have a team. So anything we can discuss, I will bring it to my live stream tomorrow. Then we'll tell you what
Okay.
man. Didi, me used to go sleep.
Sir.
Tomorrow,
Okay.
talk here.
Okay, we'll see.
I want us to register for Indico.
I can drop.
I,
I can drop them.
that was why I was okay. If you go now,
Let me go.
Didi,
All
go,
right.
go, Didi.
Good night, sir. Good night, ma. Bye bye.
All right.
Thank you.
We get the thing serious drugs.
How they listen? Oh,
They take drugs. Jesus
I'm
Christ.
not trying to come in just the drug don't be just normal.
My goodness. Meaning we go just the help her for nothing now because she doesn't want to help herself. That is the truth.
I need to take serious drugs. Just legal.
Didn't get a cooking.
Get on this table. Shit.
I don't hear everything now. In case I not gonna give her the money, make some people want to say, you don't want to give her the money before. She will have heard everything now. That's why I play like this. Normally, I forget to play and use this thing for. But I need to know because my money day inside. I'm gonna follow where my money they go. On this note, ladies and gentlemen, the 200,000 naira that we gave to her yesterday was for our feeding money. Didi, you climb up, you not climb up. On behalf of me and my fans, we dash you that 200,000. Use and take good care of yourself. Use and eat. Okay? Use and eat. Then we have 1.5 million, 11,000 remaining.